Top of the morning, we're back. Day 2. Don't know how much I'm feeling it this morning, to be honest, but just got to stay on top of it. So on the first session we got Ollies, fakey Ollies. I'm gonna say we got an Ollies and switch, but they're very, very bad. I'll definitely do a couple more of them, and then I think we'll just move on to couple of 180s. Switch nollie, fakie, regular, frontside, backside 180s. I'm obviously not going to get all of those done today. I'll just pick 2 or 3. I don't know if I've got you guys a ball today. Wait. So one thing I learned with the nollies is watching a video, but to really smash down your front foot and push it forward, so to don't just tap it into the ground, to really kind of push it that way. It feels like it should work, but it's not really working. Working a little bit. I don't really do that with fakies. Fakies more like just an ollie. I just tap it and lift. But I've heard with the nollies, if you really push forward and down with your foot, it'll level it out. It makes sense. And it's helping me get them off the ground a little bit, but it'll take a bit longer. So it is working. I've realised if I use my toes more than the side of my foot, I seem to get a much more nice pop. I'm putting my back foot further in the middle of the board. It feels like I've got less balance there and it feels more unnatural, but when I actually pop them, they seem to come up a lot more. mean, they're really shonky, but they're way better than they were the other day. Seriously, 100% more comfortable with those today. Still, balance is a bit weird, but actually feels like I'm popping them and timing them to some extent. Alright, move on to 180s. I don't know how to do this. Should I do like all front sides and then all back sides, or front side, back side regs, front side, back side switch? I might stick to front side, back side before I move on to something else. So just a regular front side, back side 180.